Welcome to Reviewed. I'm Adrian, and this is the Alien3D November UFO Mystery Box. So the Alien3D U.F.O box, or Unidentified Filament Object, is a monthly subscription-based filament mystery box. It is $29.99 a month plus shipping. They're nicely done boxes with the Alien3D logo on them, and for at least October, November, and it looks like December, they also have done a themed box with nice graphics on it. It's all finished really well. It's a really cool looking box. So in each one, you're going to receive a few different things. There's going to be at least 4 different samples, 20 meters long, of different filaments. They could be PLA or PETG or TPU or who knows what. You're going to receive some swag. Usually it's going to be stickers and discount codes, maybe some candy. There's also going to be some sort of part, a non-3D printed part to be used in a 3D printed project, and there should also be a link to some files and instructions to complete that project. There's also going to be some sort of mystery product or tool from one of the companies that sponsors the box for that month. And then also one random box every month is what they refer to as the mothership box, which will have another mystery product, usually of a higher value, from that month's sponsor. The regular UFO boxes, the value of what's inside is going to vary from month to month, just depending on what they get, but they guarantee it should be at least $40 worth of products. So let's open it up and take a look. This is the first one. I just signed up for it. This is the first one I've ever gotten, and I did pay for this myself. This is not something that they sent me for free. So let's take a look at what's inside. So we have a nice multicolor pamphlet, and this is going to have QR codes and information and things on some of the different things that are in the box. So I'm not going to look too closely at that because I don't want to give away what's in there. So we have a Capricorn PTFE tubing sticker. We have a 3D product portfolio from Filament One. A Snow Lab sticker. Ooh, a Alien3D sticker. Looks like a sample of Magigoo, a Philobot sticker, some Sour Punch Bats and Pumpkins, very cool. And now let's get into the filament. We have a sample of Make Shaper Crimson PLA. Says 190 215 degrees C on the hot end and 40 to 60 on the bed. And this is something that they just started doing, was vacuum sealing all the individual samples with a bit of desiccant, so that's nice if you can't use it right off the bat. This is good, it's not just stuck in a baggie. So that's a really pretty color. So next we have Filamentum via Filament One. So this is Filamentum from Filament One. Gold Happens, extra fill PLA, 190 to 210 on the hot end and 0 to 60 on the bed. And I haven't used Filamentum before, and I've been wanting to, so this is a really cool sample. I've seen plenty of pictures of the Gold Happens, and it's a very, very pretty filament when it prints, so that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try that. And we have Keene Village Plastics Pearl Sparkle Copper Colored PETG, 230 to 260 on the extruder and 70 to 100 C on the bed. So that is cool too. So we have a PETG sample, and that is a pretty color also. Pearl Sparkle Copper. I have actually only printed with PLA and TPU. I've never played with any PETG. I do have a few other samples of it from some other companies, so I do want to start trying to play with it. Mainly because of some of the properties of it that PLA doesn't have in the flexibility and strength, heat resistance, things like that. So that's cool. And the last filament sample we have is from HQA. It is pink HQA PLA, 205 to 215 C on the extruder and 0 to 60 C on the bed. So there it is, and that's a nice pink color also. Kind of a slight hint of purple. It's a pretty one. So we have a little alien, which from the color I'm thinking maybe glows in the dark. So that's cool. Got that little guy there. We also have a kitchen timer. So I'm assuming that that is related to the project. So we will see. And then we have Repcord 10-piece nozzle cleaning kit. So that is the free product for the month. So these are all the little fine needles for cleaning out your nozzle if it gets clogged. So it has a 0.2, 0.25, 0.3, 0.35, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.8, 1, and 1.2. So there's a bunch in there. So there you go. So that's pretty cool. So there is the box. Very nice. So let's take a look at the pamphlet and see. So it says materials contained within are for empowering turkeys, not responsible for food fights or loss of eyes due to flying cranberries and corn kernels. You have been warned. November 2018. So what I am looking for is the project. Holiday seasons, bonus project. I kind of struggle with this month figuring out a bonus project that would involve Thanksgiving. What I came up with is a 3D printed turkey shell to go over the included part, a digital cooking countdown timer. While it may not be the best of projects, I really hope that you and your family find it useful, and then it has a link to the files at Alien3D.U.F.O. So we'll see. I have no idea what that could be. I'm guessing, so it makes it a Thanksgiving themed kitchen timer, which is kind of cool. I don't know, my wife might like it. So that is the UFO box. So my thoughts on it, because like I said, this is the first one that I have received, and with shipping and everything, it came out to, I think, $36 and something cents. So there are a few other monthly subscription type boxes like this, and some of them are a little more expensive, some of them are a little cheaper. From this box, I would say I would like to see a little bit more, because all told, $36, $37 is fairly high, and I think it is some cool stuff. And it's kind of cool, of course, the appeal of not knowing what you're going to get every month. And you might, I've seen some of the previous months, I looked on their website, some of the previous months, the tools were actually quite good. And some of them were $30, $40 tools on their own. So it just depends. But yeah, I'd like to see maybe a little bit more for my almost $40. Maybe another filament sample. And, if the tool is something smaller like this, maybe another small tool or something like that. So, but overall, I like the idea. I think it's a fun idea. I like that they give you a project to kind of get you out of just printing mode where you're just printing things and you're actually, using 3D printing to create something else. So that's pretty cool. I do like that. So there it is, the Alien3D mystery box. I'll have a link in the video description to them if you want to check them out and sign up. They also do have an option to just do one box without the subscription. If you just want to give it a try. The subscriptions, you can cancel at any time, but that way if you don't, if you're worried about forgetting or if you think it's a hassle to cancel, you can just do one box, or you can go ahead and sign up for the monthly subscription. I don't know, maybe I'll do some videos where I try out some of these filaments, or maybe the turkey timer. We'll see. So head on over to their website, check them out, and as always, thanks for watching and happy printing.